Well, it seems every newscast that I'm listening to, I'm hearing our meteorologists use the word fall-like more and more often. And this week, it seems it's no exception. A few days mixed in that we're going to be feeling fall. Hey, Mallory.
Hey, Anna, I love the fall-like because that's one step closer to winter-like, and you know where that goes. We are looking at a really comfortable evening right now into the mountains, but we're still a little bit sticky at the coastline. So let's take a look at what we're seeing currently. We do have temperatures still near 70 in Portland, 68 in Ogunquit, 63 for Rockland, but once you get north of the Route 2 corridor, we're in the mid-50s. So there's a cold front that's coming through, slicing the state in two right now, and you see that in the temperature, but you also see it in the dew point, which means we're going to have differing moisture levels and comfort levels right now, as we saw in that dew point map earlier in the show. Currently 43 at Escort Station, 48 in Presque Isle. We're at 58 in Freedom, 63 in Rockland. Same thing in Cherryfield, 65 for Bar Harbor, and same thing in New Harbor, but 60 in Farmingdale. So we have a pretty good range of temperatures right now, given that cold front coming through. Most of the severe weather, the active weather, stayed to our south, and that was just with the boundary and how it was oriented and where all the dynamics came together a little bit better. We see some of those strong thunderstorms moving through western New York and some of those lesser thunderstorms moving through eastern New York. So we might hear some rumbles of thunder overnight from this passing through, but it's really not going to be a major concern for us. If you wake up tomorrow morning and you see the raindrops on the window, or you might, if you're very early, you might be running or walking through that early in the morning. That is to be expected with this final frontal crossing. So here we go, 11 o'clock tonight. We have the showers moving to the south. We see a lot of the activity staying to our south, but it's just about 3 or 4 in the morning, especially Portsmouth, Ogunquit, Sanford, Arundel, Waterboro. I would imagine you might hear some torrential rain at some point this evening, and that's expected with this boundary coming through. By the time we hit sunrise and you're getting ready for the day, a lot of this will be moving out. So it will be something that's purely overnight, and you won't be dealing with too many of the issues from it. And then we clear through the rest of the day. We'll still have a gorgeous day, cool in the mountainsides. That's where that fall-like term is going to come in, especially areas north of Route 2. But we'll still get some warmth along the coastline, even mid-coast and down east. It's going to be Monday evening. We really see those temperatures drop. Not be surprised to see a few 30s as you're waking up Tuesday morning, especially in the mountainsides, getting the kids ready for school. You will be bundling up a little bit more in the mountains, 40s widespread, and you might just stay at 50 at the coastline. Tuesday will be a beautiful fall-like day, yes, with plenty of sunshine, but a little chill to the air. We'll start to see that moderate into Wednesday as showers come in again. So for tomorrow, some morning showers, most of this going to be out around sunrise. So a lot of us won't even deal with this, but nonetheless, got to put it in the forecast. So if you do see a few raindrops early on, you are aware of those. So we're clearing the rest of the day, and it's going to be lovely out. On the water, we still have some high waves, some gusty winds, upwards of 25 knots. But the next couple of days, aside from Tuesday, which we're a little bit cooler, we're mostly in the 70s. We do have some showers likely on Wednesday. We could have a few raindrops linger into Thursday, and another round of showers coming in on Friday. This is all the cold front that's coming through today, actually sags to the south and then reemerges as a warm front on Wednesday. It will kind of hang there through the end of the week and into the weekend.
All right, a few things to keep our eyes on. Thank you, Mallory.